Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you the trades we took on our channels. So this is our accuracy for today. And to join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So let's begin with our video. Here you can just check out the signal. This is for the odd cat for the call side 5 minutes. This was a very good win. And in this, the market was in a clear uptrend. And the price was respecting the moving average. The moving average acted as a dynamic support. So this was the indication for the bullish momentum. As soon as the price touched the moving average, we took an entry right there for the call side and we won this trade. Our entry was correct at the moving average and we won this trade for the call side. The next signal was for odd USD 5 minutes call. This was also again a very good win. In this, there was a good support level right here because the price rejections were there from the zone and price reacted from a strong support level, held above it. The moving average also confirmed continuation to the upside with the support plus moving average alignment. We took a call side trade here with a good entry and we won this trade. This was a very good win. You can just check out. The next signal was for JPY 5 minutes call. Again, a very good win. In this, the price was trading above the moving average. This means there was a bullish strength and each pullback from the moving average was getting bought. So this was our time to buy this trade. As soon as it reached the moving average, we took a call side trade here with a very good entry and we won this trade. You can just check out. Here's our accuracy, 3 non-multiple wins and our entry was good again, so we won the trades. So that's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next video. I hope you guys are doing great and practicing more and more, trading more and more with patience. Thank you so much.